Go for question number 8. So in triangle ABC, right angle is right angle at C, then the value of cos A plus B. So given, so triangle ABC, right angle at B, they told like this. So what you'll get? Sorry, not B, right angle at C. That means the figure will be like this: A, B, C, something like this. Let it be. So here, what can I write? A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Now A plus B is equal to, what can I write? 180 minus C. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C is what? 180 minus angle C is 90, already they have given. The value of A plus B is 90 degrees. So what is the value we want here? We want the value of cos A plus B. So A plus B, from here we got it as 90 degrees. So actually by looking at the question only, I find A plus B here. So cos 90 value is what here? 0. Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Next, question number 9. So in different ways we can do. So the best way is this question. If sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1, then the value of the expression cos square A plus cos power 4A. So then we want cos square A plus cos power 4A. So how can I write this one? Sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Sin A is equal to cos square A we got. So the value of cos square A is sin A here. So I can write this one as otherwise simply. So if I apply squaring on both sides, sin square A is equal to what? Cos power 4A. Squared here, squared here. So from this, here I will take cos square A plus cos power 4A. Cos square A I take, the cos power 4A value is what? Sin square A. So cos square A plus sin square A is 1. So some people will apply squaring on both sides for this expression, and they can do in the multiple ways. This is the best way, I feel. So within what do you call, in the easy way we can get the answer for that. Question number 10. Given sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and cos beta is equal to 1 by 2, then we want the value of alpha plus beta. Nothing. When sin alpha is 1 by 2, when it is 30 degrees. When cos beta is 1 by 2, when it is 60 degrees. That means alpha is here 30, beta is here 60. Alpha plus beta is 30 plus 60. That will be what? 90 degrees. This way we can do this question. Now let us go for next question. 11th one. It seems little bit lengthy, but nothing difficulty in that. Look at here, question number 11. So what is that? So the value of the expression sin square 22 plus sin square 68 divided by cos square 22 plus cos square 68 plus what you'll get? Sin square 63 plus cos 63 into sin 27 is your question. So how can I do this one? So here, this I can write as sin square 22. See, 22 plus 68 is going to be what? 90. So when it is in sin and sin or cos and cos, then obviously the value will be 1 directly we can write. When these two are complementary, and when this sum is when this is either sin square or cos square, the value is 1. See, here also 22 plus 68 is 90, the value will be 1. How can I write? Let us see. This can be given as 90 minus 22. So I don't want to modify this right now. Just I was writing this as it is. Look at here. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this can be given as sin square 22 plus cos square 22. Now cos square 22 plus cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. So this will be sin square of 63 plus cos 63 into sin 27. So how can I get this one? Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 plus, look at this carefully. cos 63. See, this is sin square 63. Already this is cos 63. If possible, try to write this also in terms of 63. How can I write sin 90 minus 63? This can be given as 1 plus sin square 63 plus cos 63 into sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos 63. 1 plus sin square 63 plus sin 90 minus theta cos theta I am telling. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is about the question number 11. Now let us go for question number 12. What is that? Given, in the easy way I can do this. 4 tan theta is equal to 3. Then find the value of 4 sin theta minus cos theta by 4 sin theta plus cos theta is our question. Nothing here. The value of tan theta will be what here? 3 by 4. Look at here. If I take cos theta common from the numerator and denominator, if the expression will be converted into tan. Otherwise, from this find the value of sin theta and cos theta, that means opposite by adjacent, that is lengthy. So instead of that I am taking cos theta from the numerator. So here we don't have the cos theta, we will get in the denominator minus 1. Now here cos theta will be common. Here this is also going to be 4 sin theta by cos theta plus 1. See, 1 into cos theta, 1 into cos theta, cos theta. If you multiply this, cos theta cancel, 4 sin theta. Cos theta cancel, 4 sin theta, like that. Now cos theta and cos theta will be cancelled. 4 into sin theta by cos theta is tan theta minus 1. 4 into tan theta plus 1. 4 into what is the value of tan theta here? 3 by 4 minus 1. 4 into 3 by 4 plus 1. 4 cancel. You will get this one as 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 2 by 4. 1 by 2. So here 2 1s are 2 2s are. 1 by 2 is the required answer. Otherwise, make use of opposite by adjacent. Hypotenuse will be 5. Then put that sin theta is 3 by 5, cos theta is 4 by 5. Opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. See, this is 3 by 5, this is 4 by 5. So 3 by 5, 4 by 5, and later we have to simplify. Instead of this, we can do directly like this. This is all about question number 12.